back to my YouTube channel. It's winter time, and I know this is a little late, but one of our favorites this whole winter has been a just traditional peppermint mocha. So that's what we're gonna be making today. So you're gonna start off with about close to 6 ounces of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of peppermint syrup, or about a half teaspoon of peppermint extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa, and about 1.5 teaspoons white sugar. First, start by putting the milk, sugar, and the cocoa in the pan and begin heating until bubbles start to form along the edges. While you're heating up your milk mixture, brew 2 shots of espresso. Once it's done, add the vanilla and peppermint and the 2 shots of espresso, then mix it up and you're done. Pour it into your cup. For fun, you can top it off with some Ready Whip and a little bit of peppermint crushed, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you tried this recipe and enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments. Also, please don't forget to help me out by giving this video a like and subscribing so you won't miss out on any more. Have a blessed day.